Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Another team-based building coming your way. Let's go! Okay, so we have once again Magneto in all his glory with that magnetic field. Okay, and we're going to look at what we're going to build or team-based build today. And it's actually the second part of this particular box. Okay, so in the last video we built the Brotherhood of Mutants. Okay, and this particular super booster contained two team bases, the Brotherhood of Mutants, and what we're going to build, the Hellfire Club. Hellfire Club. Okay, that's it. Hellfire Club. And let's go ahead and disconnect the dial or the team base. So this is the Hellfire Club Inner Circle. Okay, so brand new, mint. Included in the super booster is one of the members of the Inner Circle, which is the White Queen. Okay, Emma Frost. Okay, small scale in terms of scope, and that means we had to track down 3 figures. Okay, and those figures are, this is the White Queen. We had to track down the Black King. Okay, we ordered him from eBay. We had to track down the White King, so we ordered him, I think, from Troll and Toad. And then the Black Queen. So the Black Queen we were able to trade with Errol. Okay, so thank you very much, Errol, for the trade and helping me complete this team base. Okay, I already have again the team base, but I want to experience putting them together. So let's take a look at the cards, although we're not gonna review them. If you want to pause the video to read the cards, by all means. Okay, so we also have here the dial for the team base, the Hellfire Club Inner Circle asset dial. I don't know how this plays the team base in terms of the game, but they are good displays. Meaning in the shelf. Okay, so I say that because I was not playing Heroclix when this set was released. The Black King and the Black Queen. Take a look at the back. Sebastian Shaw and Celine Gallio. Okay, and let's put them. Okay, so we have here the White King should go here in front. The Black King should go here. So just follow the line, the hints given, and don't force the figures. It should snap nicely. And then the Black Queen be here. Is it here? Yeah, I think so, yeah. And of course, the White Queen goes at the back. Oops. Okay, and there we have it. The Hellfire Club Inner Circle, the Black and White Kings and Queens, front, side, back, and the other side. Okay. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried this in actual match? How did they do? Is this one of those meta team bases before? So until the next team base building, bye bye.